3D base to vision. This feature transforms your raw 3D viewport into a polished, realistic render in just a few steps. Start by adding an input image. You can select one from your generated history, upload it from your device, or simply drag and drop it directly into the viewport. Choose whether the visual is an exterior or an interior. The prompt option is completely optional, so for now we'll keep it empty. Next, move to the Image Style section. If you have a style reference, you can add it here or skip this step if you prefer. Toggle human figures on or off, select the time of day, and define the surrounding style. Choose your desired aspect ratio and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your render is ready. Need refinements? What if you want to change roof or wall material? Just simply go to Prompt section, describe materials or style, write roof black rubber round shingles plus walls vertical white sliding plus wooden beams brown oak wood and hit Generate button again, and your changes are updated in image. That's it. From a simple 3D base to a refined, realistic render, ready in just a few clicks.